Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to screen record on your Samsung Galaxy A17 4G or 5G. Since this device does not have a built-in screen recorder, you need a third-party tool in order to screen record your device. Now, in order to do that, go ahead onto the Google Play Store and search for the third-party screen recording app that you would like to use. Now, for me, I will be using the X Recorder because it's something that I would be used personally. So all you have to do is find your preferred screen recording and ensure that it has been installed on your phone. Now, once it has been installed, you can just tap on to open to launch it and go through all the simple process of setting up the screen recorder so that you can be able to use it on your phone. Now, go ahead and tap on enable and just follow through this process of just enabling the screen recording app on your phone so that you can be able to use it. Give it unnecessary permissions. Then when you are ready, just tap on record. Now, this will ask you to give more permissions such as to access the recording audio. And once you have done that, you can now choose what you are going to record. So you can choose to record the entire screen or you can tap on it and choose to record in a single app. Keep in mind, you will be needed to give the necessary permissions so that you can be able to do that. Once you are ready, just tap on start and wait for the countdown to complete itself. Now, anything you will do on your Samsung Galaxy device, it will be successfully recorded on the screen recorder. You can tap on the screen recorder icon to view other options available, such as just using a pen to write on the screen of your phone. You can even switch between colors and brush sizes if you want. If you want to erase, you can just go ahead and erase using the eraser. If you want to push the recording, just tap on the push button. If you want to resume, tap on resume. And if you wanted to stop it, just tap on the stop button and it will be stopped. When it's ready, it will be successfully saved onto the gallery. So go ahead and just navigate to the gallery app on your device and you should be able to see the screen recording there. If you don't see it, you can just go ahead into the albums, tap on X Recorder or whatever the recording app you're using, and you should be able to see your recording successfully saved onto the device. So guys, basically this is the simplest method through which you can do that. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.